Okay, law of focus and law of complexity and cost sa Six Sigma. So, yung law of focus daw is 80% nung delay is ang dahilan nun is yung 20% nung process, nung activity nung process. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, lahat ng karamihan ng delay dahil dun sa prosesong ginagawa. So, kung gustong mas mabilis, dapat baguhin yung proseso. Yun na ibig sabihin yan, yung law of focus. Kasi kung mas maigsi yung proseso, mas mabilis siya. So, yun ibig sabihin ng law of focus. Nakabase ito dun sa Pareto Principle. 80% of the delay is caused by 20% activity process. So, kung mas mabilis yung activity, mas mabilis yung kung mas mabilis yung activity, less yung delay. So, yun lang yun. Yung law of complexity and cost, sinasabi lang niya na kapag ka mas marami yung pagka mas mahirap yung process, mas magastos. Okay? Yung complexity and cost is pagka mas mahirap yung process, mas magastos siya at mas mahirap siyang gawin. I mean, mas matrabaho siya, yun ang ibig sabihin. Pag complex meaning mas mahirap. Pag mas mahirap yung process, mas magastos at saka mas mahirap gawin. So, yun yung law of complexity and cost sa Six Sigma. So, the more na humihirap yung process, the more na nagiging magastos siya. So, yun lang yung dapat nating malaman dyan. Yung pinakamadali. So, yun lang po.